Hi kids, today we will learn to make objects with number 1 and number 2. For that you will need circles and this sheet. This is number 2. Now circles, if you don't have colored paper, you can make the circles with magazine. Ask your parents to cut the circles with magazine paper. Now apply Fevicol on the first circle and paste it near the dot given with number 1 like this. Every time you paste, you have to press it with napkin. Now I will take 2 circles with 2 number and paste it on the dots given like this. Another circle, apply the Fevicol and paste it on the dot given. And now you will press it with napkin and let it dry. With another 1 number, I will now use colored circle and apply the Fevicol on the white part of it and paste it on the point given with number 1. Now I will take 2 orange circles and apply the Fevicol on the white part like this. Paste it on the point. Apply the Fevicol nicely. And now you know what to do. You have to press all the circles with napkin and let them dry. Now we will convert these circles into objects. Take a crayon and draw the string under the first circle. Make the outlining. It will become a balloon. You can color your balloon also. Now with 2 circles, again we will make the strings and make them into 2 balloons. They will become 2 balloons. Make the outlining of the circles. Now we have 2 balloons. With the colored circle, we will make a beautiful 1 flower. You can choose any of the colors and make the petals around the circle. It will become a flower. Draw the stem with green color and your flower is complete. With orange circles, we are going to make 2 balls. Draw the slant lines like this. Make the outlining of the circle. And your 2 balls are ready. Now you have 2 balls. Now what you have? 1 balloon. Then you have 2 balloons with 2 number. Then 1 flower and 2 balls with 2 number. Now you have to color the border lines given. Start from the top. Don't begin from the bottom. Color from the top neatly. Don't leave the gaps. And after coloring, your sheet will be complete. You have to color all the border lines to make your sheet beautiful. After doing this sheet, I will show you how many objects you can make with circle. You can make many objects with the circle and you don't have to draw balloon and ball every time. You can make lollipop, you can make tree, you can make apples, you can make cat, you can make duck, you can make fish and many more things. So now your sheet is complete. Enjoy the activity and have fun.